So guys, today we got a transmission serviced on the M340. We're going to do that at Max Euro today. We're going to go cruise down there and we're going to go to my other tuner's place, MRD Performance. We're going to go there and fix up our handbrake issue that we have. This handbrake switch is broken, so I can't release the handbrake. So the little switch underneath just needs to be replaced, so the whole unit needs to come out. While the whole unit's out, we're going to be replacing the gear shifter for a crystal gear shifter to match the start button that I've already done. And we have a crystal one to replace this black plastic, and then the volume button also will get changed just to make it all match. We're going to head over there later, but today we're just going to do a quick transmission service on the car, ready for roll racing on Saturday. So we'll see you when you get there. Alrighty guys, so I forgot to record while we're there, but I'll do a little voiceover. We just arrived at Max Euro here. We're just sending the car up on the lift to do the transmission oil drain. So we're draining the oil here. The oil is very dirty and very thin, so it was a bit overdue for a change, but we're doing it. So we're just releasing the pan here to get all the oil out. Yeah, so that's the old pan in the bin, and we replaced this whole unit with a new one, so that's the new one on now. And then we'll need to top it up with the new transmission fluid. So they're pumping that in now from the side. I had to go up on the lift here to select through the gears, so we make sure enough fluid's in the car. So once that's done, just cleaning it up a bit and bringing it back down, and then the service is done. Alrighty guys, so we just got back here from Max Euro. We're gonna do a little detail later on today. So not later on today, tomorrow we got a detail. And then after that, during the night time, we got a little cruise. I'll show some footage of that. And then on Saturday morning, we're heading to MRD, my other tuner, to do our handbrake fix and our crystal gear shifter install. Alrighty guys, so we made it here to Stanwell Tops. We're going to do a little cruise down to Knox Beach. It's down there somewhere. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not. But there's probably about 20, 25 of us here. All Beamers, Audis, mainly Beamers though. A bunch of different boys and girls all driving. Yeah, so we're going to go drive down there and I'll see you down there. Alrighty guys, so we just got done at servicing the car. We did a gearbox. Oh, sorry. We did a transmission fluid change at Euromax, and then we just did some finishing touches to the inside and fixing up a big bug on me. Fixing up one of the issues I had on my valve for my dump. Is I hit a speed bump, so it's a bit damaged, so fixed all of that up, and we added the crystal shifter into the middle. Right now we're a bit early for roll racing, so I had to park up outside because they wouldn't let me park inside for whatever reason. But we're gonna see our mate Eric, who is at Flow Sports, and we're gonna help him set up and see the little booth they have here next level. And then when the time hits 5 o'clock, then we got to go back up there and get our roll racing ticket. So I'll see you in a second.
Yeah, Dylan. So what's the plan today?
Yeah, Eric from Flow Sports. So today we're gonna be roll racing down here at Eastern Creek. I don't know what these angles are. Get in the croc cam. The croc cam.
See that ass though.
So we're going to be roll racing later on. Still pretty early today, so waiting for the roll racing to unlock at 5 o'clock. So another half an hour, and then we'll head down to roll racing and get our ticket. And at 6 o'clock, then we've got to do scrutineering and stuff. So we get what's it called? Just a little showcase on the safety of roll racing, and then we'll be roll racing. But throughout the night, we'll come back down here, see all the cars, all the wonderful cars down here at Tuned Next Level.